Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amanda Turner and this is
Jose Roque.
We are real estate agents in Lake Chapala, Mexico, and we work for the office of Lake Chapala Realty.
Today we're looking at 3 properties starting at $649,000 US dollars to $750,000 US dollars. If you guys are looking to buy or sell property in the Lake Chapala area, make sure you go ahead and email us at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com and we'll get you rolling in some money.
Yes. If you are looking to come and visit the area, we have a bed and breakfast in Ajijic Centro. You can visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to our bed and breakfast, to the cafe that is located on the bed and breakfast premises. It's open to the public 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day. Both businesses just won Best of Lake Chapala for Best B&B and Best Coffee for the second year in a row. And we'd love to have you if you want to come check out the Lake Chapala area and everything and have us show you around, show you some homes, things like that.
This first property is Los Olivos and it's located in the upper part of Ajijic, but sadly we actually just closed on that property.
Yeah.
But we're still going to show you guys the property so you guys can see what beautiful homes we have for you guys.
Yeah, get an idea for the area.
All right, let's go check it out. All right, this property listed at $649,000 US dollars. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath on 2 floors. The construction size is 413 meters square or 4,445 square feet. The lot size is 561 meters square or 6,039 square feet. The HOA is 9,943 Mexican pesos quarterly. This property comes furnished and it's located in Upper Ajijic. Esta propiedad está listada en $649,000. 3 recámaras, 2 baños y medio en 2 pisos. La construcción es de 413 metros cuadrados o 4,445 pies cuadrados. El lote es de 561 metros cuadrados o 6,039 pies cuadrados. La cuota condominal es de 9,943 pesos mexicanos trimestral. La propiedad viene amueblada y está localizada en la parte de arriba de Ajijic.
Here is our first home on tour. You'll see the pool right here, nice little courtyard. If we zoom out, you'll see the distance between this home and Ajijic Centro, which is located right here. And if you go down about 2 blocks, you'll see the Lake Chapala Society here. Our bed and breakfast and our cafe is located right next door to the Lake Chapala Society. The nice thing about being located next to the Lake Chapala Society is that like all of this, we're surrounded by all of this garden here for our properties, so it's very lush at our B&B. Okay, so here's the home. Here's Ajijic Centro. I'm zooming out just a little bit more so you can get an idea of where it is. So it's located mountainside from the carretera. This is lakeside over here. You've got Lake Chapala down here. Now we've got Chapala to the east, and we have got West Ajijic and Xantepec and Jocotepec to the west. And Guadalajara is to the north. Throughout the neighborhoods in Ajijic, you'll see a lot of abarrotes and things like that. There won't be too many in this area because it backs up right on Upper La Floresta, which is a very suburban living type of neighborhood, but you're not too far away from a lot of things. So you've got Donuts Right down here, it's an excellent place to have breakfast and coffee, and a lot of people sometimes meet there to go hiking up in the mountains. Walmart is not too far from you. You could walk there. If you have to do a big haul, I would suggest driving. La Paseña is an excellent seafood restaurant. So just to get our bearings here, here's the home, and then this is the highway that leads you from Joco to Chapala or Chapala to Joco, and this has quite a bit going on here. There's plenty of shopping, grocery shopping, dining, all of that. You have veterinarians, you have an Ajijic clinic, which is open 24 hours. And to drive from this house to Ajijic Centro is 7 minutes. To drive from this house to the airport is 38 minutes. And it is Wednesday at 3:05 p.m. And to drive from this house to Costco in Guadalajara will take you about an hour and 9 minutes. All right, guys, the second home that we're looking at today is also located in Upper Ajijic, actually. And I love this house. It has an excellent view of the lake, and the pool is situated on the second level, which is actually kind of the first level, because when you pull into the garage, the whole house is on the first level, but then down underneath you have the casita or mother-in-law suite, whatever you want to call it or use it for. And then there's also a second level up top. So you climb some stairs and then you get to the second level up top where there are some bedrooms and things like that up there. So let's go check it out.
This property is listed at $750,000 US. It's a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath on 3 floors. The construction size is 550 meters square or 5,920 square feet. The lot size is 600 meters square or 6,458 square feet. This is not in a gated community, therefore there's no HOA. And this property is also furnished and it's located in Upper Ajijic. Esta propiedad está listada de $750,000, 4 recámaras, 4 baños y medio en 3 pisos. La construcción es de 550 metros cuadrados o 5,920 pies cuadrados. El lote es de 600 metros cuadrados o 6,458 pies cuadrados. Esta propiedad no está en una comunidad privada, así es que no hay cuota condominal. Esta propiedad también viene amueblada y está localizada en la parte de arriba de Ajijic.
Here is the second home on our tour today. Now, here's the thing. All of the things from the first property pretty much apply to this one because they're located in the same area. So for the sake of saving some time in this video, you can look back at that first video because all the same things apply.
All right, the last property we have for you guys is Tranquil Oasis. Is in the Racket Club here in the area. It's actually in San Juan Cosala. But it is a beautiful area. It's very sought out by so many people because it's got great views. It's very quiet, 24-hour security. This house is really, really, really cool because it has a lot of land, which right at this moment is actually like a garden oasis.
And things grow so easily here in Ajijic. You can literally plant anything and it will grow. So having a big garden is a plus, and a lot of buyers want that.
The property is so big that technically it has a separate lot, which they turn into a garden. But if you like this home, you can always turn that lot into a separate lot. So that's an idea.
Yeah. All right, let's go check it out.
Sin tus caderas no puedo cantar. Sin tus caderas no puedo gozar.
This property is listed at $750,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath on 1 floor. The construction size is 380 meters square or 4,090 square feet. The lot size is 1,600 meters square or 17,222 square feet. The HOA is $2,000 yearly. This property comes partially furnished and it's located in the Racket Club San Juan, Cozalá. Esta propiedad está listada a $750,000, 2 recámaras, 2 baños y medio en un solo piso. La construcción es de 380 metros cuadrados o 4,090 pies cuadrados. El lote es de 1,600 metros cuadrados o 17,222 pies cuadrados. La cuota condominal es de $2,000 al año. Esta propiedad viene parcialmente amueblada y está localizada en el Rocket Club en San Juan, Cozalá.
Muévete con mi ritmo y mi sabor.
House number 3 on our tour is located right here. Look at all that land. Yeah. Okay, this home is located here in the Racket Club. The Racket Club is located in San Juan, Cozalá. San Juan, Cozalá is known for all of its thermal water, geothermal water. Has a lot of healing properties. All of the homes in Racket Club receive geothermal water into their homes, and some of them have cooling systems so that the water is not so hot when it comes in. So what you have around here is obviously the geothermal spas located right down here, and then you have one really nice one located up here, Monte Cozalá Spa. It's beautiful, excellent views of the lake. Then you have one down here that is actually on the lake. They have a children's area, they have an adult area, a couple of adult areas through there. So if we zoom out here, you'll see that this is where San Juan Cozalá is in relation to the rest of Lake Chapala. Here's Chapala. Here is Riberas, San Antonio, Ajijic, and then we're over here into San Juan Cozalá and Jocotepec. So you've got some shopping through here, including if you'd like to drive over, you can get to Pancho's, which is located right here next to La Reserva. Let me see if I can find it in here. It's not showing it, but yeah, here we go. This is Pancho's right here. To get from this home to Ajijic Centro would take you 17 minutes. Again, it's Wednesday at 3 p.m. To get from this home to Guadalajara Airport would take you 50 minutes. And to get from this home to the Costco in Guadalajara, it would take you 1 hour, 14 minutes. And notice that this is taking you the back way. This is the Joco bypass right here, and you can go the back way into Guadalajara to come over to this area of it here. Whereas in the first home, we were going this direction to come in this way to get to Costco. So it just depends. You can take this way if you wanted to, take a little, like 10 more minutes. And it just depends on what areas of Guadalajara you're trying to get to. If you were trying to get to this over here, it'd be much faster to go this way from San Juan Cozalá. But if you're trying to come into the back way, which has a lot of, it's a very nice mall, Gallerias Mall by Costco is very nice. There's a Home Depot right around there as well. So yeah, your choice. All right, everybody, that's it for us. And hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave us any comments down below if you have any questions, things like that. Feel free to leave a super thanks down below with a question if you want your question answered in detail in the next video. Otherwise, just leave your comments below and we'll answer you in the comments.
Be nice to me.
Be nice to Jose. And we'll see you guys next week. Bye.